Garbage. Absolute garbage. These cheap cables that you're buying do not last. One cut and they're completely done. But with a Magic John brand new 240 watts 4-in-1 charging cable, you're not gonna have any of these issues. Plus, you get yourself a Lightning USB and 2 additional Type-C ports, making it compatible with pretty much any device that you can think of. Now, 240 watts of fast charging means that you can charge any device that you have at maximum speeds at all times. And this cable is not only fast, but it is also built to last. The connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy and the cable with liquid silicone, so you can pull, bend, twist. Nothing is gonna happen to these. And now we also give you a very nice gift, its own carry bag from Magic John. There are 2 colors available, 2 different lengths, and it costs $3.